So okay guys, I just finished charging for free here in Festival Mall in Alabang. So thank you very much Movem and Philinvest for having this 11 kilowatt AC charging station here in Festival Mall. So for documentation, our battery now is 100% with a range of 500, so for sure. So this is just an estimate. So we will check out how many kilometers this full charge will make. So our actual mileage right now is 1,288 kilometers. Alright. So okay guys, once again 100%. Our mileage is 1,288. Alright. Okay guys, just a quick update with regards to our range test. So from 100% battery down to 43%. Okay, we started at 1,288 kilometers and now we are at 1,563 kilometers. So that's total distance traveled after 100% battery is 275 kilometers. So we consumed 57% battery. So let's try to compute the kilometers traveled per percentage of battery. So divided by 57, so that's around 4.8 kilometers per percentage of battery. So if we're going to multiply that by 100, so estimated theoretical based from our range test is around 482 kilometers if we're going to maximize the battery up to its 0%, but we are not going to do that. So the purpose of this range test is to estimate the battery range of the Aura O3 500. So just a quick update, since the battery is now below 50%, but still we're going to continue this range test probably up until 15% of the battery. Let's find out how many kilometers the total kilometers will be traveled by the Aura O3 from 1,288 kilometers. And by the way guys, the settings, I always use the single pedal mode or the e-pedal. There, the e-pedal. So that's the single pedal mode, because based from my driving experience, this is the most efficient way to drive, the most economical way to drive the Aura O3. Alright. So okay guys, final update. Our battery now is at 22% and our final kilometer reading is 1,637. So that is from 1,288 at 100%. So okay guys, another quick math. 1,637 minus 1,288, so that's 349 kilometers. So divided by the total percentage of battery used, so from 100 to 22, that's 78%. So okay guys, 4.47 kilometers per percentage of battery. So let's multiply that by 100. So theoretically, our GWM Aura O3, based from our experiment range test, so it will cover around 447 kilometers of range from 100% all the way down to 0% of battery. So okay guys, that's more or less 60% highway driving. My speed is around 60 to 70 kilometers per hour, and around 30 to 40% city driving. As you know, city driving here in Metro Manila is really horrendous, especially now it's nearing the Christmas season. So okay guys, personal opinion, 440 kilometers of range from 100% to 0% is pretty good, considering the price of the Aura O3 500, which I got for a pretty good discount. So from 1.7 million pesos SRP price 2 or 3 years ago, so now it's we got this for 1,098,000 pesos. So 420 or 440 kilometers of range is really pretty good for an electric vehicle with a price tag of around 1 million. Comparing it with other electric vehicles of almost the same price range, for example the BYD Seagull, which is around 900,000 pesos, and the BYD Dolphin, which is right now is around 1.2 million pesos. This GWM Aura O3 500 is really a pretty good deal. So if you'll be able to find a stock of the GWM Aura O3 500, I suggest get it for your first electric vehicle. So okay guys, that's our video, that's our quick experiment with the GWM Aura O3 500 range test. Thank you for watching guys, and always stay safe and be healthy. God bless everyone, and see you in my next video.